We're the asset management function of UKPN services, and we look after several long-term contracts like private networks, electrical distribution networks. We look at assets, we look to extend asset life cycles and optimise asset maintenance. So we also build the resilience of networks as well. So a lot of our clients, they run critical supplies, so they can't really afford to have an outage.
Chi touched on resilience. That's absolutely key. The last thing you want in that operating environment is any kind of disruption, and that makes it really, really important for us to make sure that our asset stewardship is better than the best. We really have to be on top of our game to make sure that we don't have any interruptions to supply that will cause a massive knock-on effect and disruption to the clients. Asset stewardship is key to the efficient running of the operation, of any client's operation. That's where our expertise comes in. So we could give them guidance, we can and we do with several clients, where we take them on the journey from the beginning. They come to us at an early stage, and we provide the specialised advice and experience that enables them to optimise. We design, we build, we can finance if necessary, we operate networks, and we look after them for the entire asset life cycle. It's not just a short-term thing as Chi was talking about there. It's a long-term planning thing that we have. We invest in our networks to make sure that the client gets the absolute best service from the assets, and that they are absolutely as reliable as possible.